Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about non-valuated material procurement. This non-valuated material, these are actually low cost or low value material whose inventory tracking is important on quantity basis only, not on value basis. And this type of materials like MRO items or consumable items where stock tracking is important rather than its valuation. So these materials generally procured for consumption purpose rather than stocking and resale. So this type of materials we create with the material type UNBW. So with this type of material with this type of material we create material master with basic data, purchasing view and storage view. We don't maintain accounting view for this type of material. And for this type of material, if you go to material type configuration setting, you will see this value update checkbox is not selected and quantity update checkbox is selected. So for this, we'll go to system and we'll check this material type configuration setting. Go to GUI screen. So enter transaction code SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG, then go to logistic general, material master, basic settings, material types and define attributes of material types. Click on execute. Here click on position and search material type as a UNBW. So description of this UNBW material type is non-valuated material. So select this material type row and click on details button. As we saw in our presentation, this type of if we create material master with this material type, so we maintain basic data, purchasing view and storage view. We don't maintain accounting view. Why? Because here you can see if any user try to create, let me show you. If any user try to create material with this material type, let me enter material code UNBW MAT2. Click on select view and let me uncheck all views. So here if we try to create material with this material type UNBW, so in this select views pop up, what views are available? Basic view, basic data view are available, basic data view is available, purchasing view available, MRP view available, storage view available, WM views are available, QM views are available, but accounting view is not available. Why? Because in this material type configuration setting, this accounting department is not selected. It means if we create material with this material type, then we maintain basic data information, purchasing information and storage information. We don't maintain accounting information for this type of material. So what we'll do, we'll select basic data 1, then purchasing view and plant data storage 1 and plant data storage 2 view. Click on organization level. Here you can see storage location field is also available. Why? Because in this material type configuration setting, storage department view is also selected. That's why system is populating storage location field. So here we'll enter plant and storage location. Click on continue. Will provide description same as our material code. In base unit of measure field, I will select base unit of measure as a each. In material group field, I am selecting random any material group like lab. Click on continue. In purchasing view, here I am selecting purchasing group randomly 001. Click on continue. In plant data storage view, there is no any mandatory field, so we'll proceed further. In plant data storage view, plant data storage to view, here we'll select some profit center. Click on continue. Here system is asking to save this material master data, so click on yes. So with this we have created material 1711-UNBW mat2. Now we understood, okay, why accounting view is not available in that select view pop-up, okay, because of this material type configuration setting. Now we'll check one more setting. If you double click on this quantity / value updating, click on position, enter your valuation area. Our valuation area is nothing but plant 1711 and material type is UNBW. So for this combination valuation area and material type, here quantity update checkbox is selected and value update checkbox is not selected. If value update checkbox is not selected, it means in purchase requisition or in purchase order, account assignment category will become mandatory. Means if this value update checkbox is not selected, it means we are purchasing that material for consumption purpose, not for stock or inventory purpose, right? That's why in our purchase requisition or in purchase order, system will ask us account to enter account assignment category. And with this account assignment category will become mandatory, and if we post GR for this material, then system will post material value to consumption GL account, not to inventory GL account. And here quantity update checkbox is selected. It means if we do GR for this material, then system will update inventory only on quantity basis, not on value basis. Our stock will increase after good receipt. So now what we'll do, as we have created a material, okay, with this material type UNBW, now we'll create purchase requisition with this material. So for this we'll go to our Fury screen, use application, manage purchase requisition. Purchase requisitions professional, click on create. Okay, here I am providing description as a non-valuated UNBW material purchase. You can provide description anything. Click on okay, in item section click on create. Here I am selecting material. Here as we have stated, type of item is material. So you can see product type group allocated as a 1. In material type field, in material field I will enter material 1711 UNBW mat2. In plant field we selected plant as a 1711. Here select vendor, desired vendor 1734x01. In store location field we will enter store location 0001. Okay, here if you click on error message, see account assignment category mandatory for this material because value update checkbox is not selected in material type configuration setting. In quantity field enter some quantity like 10. Scroll down in valuation price field, okay, we'll enter some price like 10 USD. Again scroll down in account assignment tab, we click on this navigation option. Here we'll enter cost center 1711 cost 1. In GL account field let me enter GL account manually 516 4 times 5 times 0. Okay, here 516 5 times 0. I am selecting this, okay, GL account, hit enter. Okay, so all errors are gone. Click on apply button. See, there is no any error. One more thing what we'll do, okay, here if we scroll down, in purchase organization field, okay, we'll enter purchase organization 1711. click on apply again and click on create. In the pop-up, okay, it shows okay warning message, so no issues. Okay, we will click on create button. So with this, here you can see purchase requisition has created 10001,533. Okay, if you want to see details of this purchase requisition, okay, here you can enter the purchase requisition number, click on search button, select the purchase requisition. Right now it is showing status as a awaiting approval. No issues. Just go to navigation, click on navigation. Clicking on reload button. Okay, in general tab here, page is loading. So see, the status is awaiting approval. Total value is 106.13 euro. In general information tab, it will show description and document type. In note section, okay, we have not maintained any note. In item section, you can see item details, material group, everything information it will show. Right. If we just click on this navigation button, so it will show all details like status. Here the status is in release. In general information tab, here it will show product type group. Here from here, okay, you can explore all informations of this purchase requisition, valuation data, account assignment data, source of supply information, contact information, delivery address, note, attachment section, approval details. So in approval details, here you can see this purchase for this purchase revision flexible workflow has triggered and it is ready for approval, and these are the recipient, okay, who out of this, okay, this purchase requisition, out of this recipient, okay, someone has to approve this purchase requisition. Okay, if we let me check, okay, what are the IDs. Let me go back. In approval details, yeah, here it is showing test 04 and test case 01. So test case 01 is our ID, right? It means, okay, this purchase requisition is received in our inbox for approval, and I guess here if you go to notification, it is showing notification for this purchase requisition only 1533. So we'll go to our my inbox. So yeah, this purchase requisition we received for approval. So I'm selecting this purchase requisition, click on approve, submit. So we have released a purchase requisition. Now what we'll do, we'll convert this purchase requisition to purchase order. So how you can convert? For this, okay, you can use ME21N application. The application name is create purchase order advanced. You can directly enter ME21N T code, or you can enter text as the create purchase order advanced. Okay, move the scroll bar towards right side. In purchase requisition column, enter purchase requisition number, press enter. Here you can see system has fetched all information from the purchase requisition, but it is asking us to enter price. So in the net, if we go to conditions tab, here we will enter price, let's say 10 USD. Click on check button. Okay, so no any error message. So we are okay to save this document. So we have created purchase order 454 times 0 1856. Click on other purchase order button to open this purchase order. Go to header section and check if any workflow has triggered. See, workflow has triggered and this purchase order is currently ready for approval. And here also you can see under recipients, or okay, it is showing test case 01. It means okay, we can approve this purchase order through my inbox. Let me note down this purchase order number. Okay, and this purchase order we created against this purchase requisition and line term is 10. Now we'll go back to, or let me open one more session. Okay, so here you can see we received notification for approving this purchase order. So I clicked on this notification, so it will okay, navigate to my inbox application. So here okay, I am just clicking on approve, submit. So we have approved purchase requisition. If you open this or if you refresh this purchase order screen, so here it will show status as a purchase order release. Now what we'll do, okay, we'll perform good receipt for this purchase order. Before performing good receipt for this purchase order, first of all we'll check the stock status of this material. So for this we'll just copy this material, okay, and on this screen what we'll do, we'll open stock overview application. Yeah, display stock overview. Okay, enter that material code. Our plant code is 1711. Okay, click on execute. So for this material, okay, we don't have any stock available under plant 1711 and store location 0001. So now what we'll do, okay, we'll try to perform good receipt for this PO. So for this we'll open one more session. Okay, and on this screen we'll open application post goods movement. Post goods movement. Now here I want to perform good receipt, right? So that's why here see we have okay, action we are selecting as a good receipt, and we are okay, we are going to perform good receipt against purchase order. So here we'll select purchase order. In the next field we'll enter purchase order number, and in the movement type field, okay, we'll select movement type as a 101. No need to change anything. So press enter button. So with this, what system will do? System will fetch all informations from the purchase order. So we'll just minimize this header data section and we'll focus on this item, okay, details. In material tab we can observe material information, okay, material group, all information here it will show. In quantity tab here it will show what quantity we order and how much quantity we are receiving. So we received all order quantity, that's why here we'll enter receive quantity as a 10. In where tab, here you can see movement type 101, GR for account assignment. In plant field, okay, and observe plant 1711, store location 0001. In purchase order data, here you can observe purchase order number, partner tab, vendor assignment, vendor number. In account assignment tab, here you can see GL account, cost center informations. So if all data looks okay, then we can select item okay checkbox, then click on check button. So document is okay, so we will click on post. So with this, what happened? System has posted, or system has created a material document. If we go back to stock overview screen, click on refresh button. So see what happened? After good receipt, system has updated stock, okay, in inventory. So under this storage location, system has updated stock, means stock has increased at this storage location level. Earlier stock was 0. After a good receipt, system has increased stock at storage location level with 10 quantity. Now if we go back to this post goods movement screen, okay, we'll open this material document, press enter, go to header data, document info tab, click on FI document. From here, okay, we can see accounting document. Okay, so here it is showing accounting entries. So if we go to change layout, now I want to see transaction key. So for this, if you search transaction field from here, scroll down, see, system has posted, okay, material value to this expense or consumption GL account through this transaction key KBS. For this KBS, we don't assign or we don't define any GL account. Okay, we don't maintain any GL account under this KBS transaction key. Basically, this GL account for this KBS transaction key, system determines through purchase order or through reference document. In our purchase order, we maintain this GL account, right? So system posted that consumption value, okay, of this material to this GL account, and this GRIR account system determined through this WRX transaction key. So suppose, okay, now we receive this material in our store location. Now I want to consume, okay, I want to consume this material. So how you can consume? You can consume this material by performing goods issued to cost center activity. So for this, we'll again go back to post goods movement. So before going to this transaction, okay, we'll check purchase order again. So if you go back to purchase order, here it will show purchase order history, right? So under this purchase order history, it will show material document. So with this, okay, after good receipt, after GR against PO, okay, what happened? PO history updated, okay, material document created, accounting document also created, then stock increased, at storage location. It means stock updated in inventory on quantity basis. But material value debited or posted to consumption GL account, not to inventory account. Okay, it means, okay, after GR what happened, okay, stock is updated on, but it's updated only on quantity basis, not on value basis. So according to value basis, okay, in inventory there is no value for this stock. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll try to consume this material against cost center. So for this what we'll do, here we'll select action as a action as a goods issue, and here in a reference document, here we'll select, okay, as we don't have any reference document, so here we'll select other, and in the movement type field we'll select movement type as a 201. Press enter. We will go to item detail. In the material type field, here we'll enter material code 1711-UNBW MAT2. Okay, this is our material. How much quantity we want to consume? As per our stock overview, we have 10 quantity available. So after this 10, okay, I want to consume 2 quantity. So I will go back to screen. So here I will select 2. I want to consume 2 quantity. Let me enter unit also. In where tab, okay, here you can see movement type 201. From where, okay, you want to consume? I want to consume this stock from 1711 plant and storage location 0001. So here I entered plant and storage location information. Go to account assignment tab. Here system will ask you to enter cost center. So here I am selecting cost center 1711 COS1. So I want to consume this stock for this cost center. Okay, if all details looks okay, then select item okay checkbox, click on check. So there is no any error, so click on post button. So after this material movement, okay, after this goods issue to cost center movement, after GI2 now we'll check, okay, what impact happens on this material movement or after this material movement. So here what happened, material document created. So with this what happened, material document created. Now we'll open this material document in display mode. Select action as a display. Okay, system will automatically fetch this latest material document. Go to header data, click on doc info tab, click on FI document. See, no subsequent document found in accounting. It means with this goods issue to cost center activity for non-valuated material, what happened, system has created material document only, but no accounting document created in the background. No accounting document created in the background. Okay, why? Because when we post good, when we perform good receipt, okay, for that material, what happened, system, system posted material value to consumption GL account, not to inventory GL account. It means, okay, in inventory, okay, for that material there was 0 value, right? That's why, okay, when we consume this material, okay, system, okay, didn't, okay, create any accounting entry. So means after this inventory movement, okay, what happened after this inventory movement, if we just go to MMB stock overview screen. So after this inventory movement, what happened, stock, okay, stock quantity reduced. So here I will just mention, after this 201 inventory movement okay, stock quantity decreased okay, and as we don't have any inventory value for this non-valued material, that's why okay, this accounting entry not generated. So here if we go back to our presentation, here you can see after this inventory movement, goods issued to cost center, stock will decrease okay in our store location, but no accounting document generated because no value debited to inventory GL account at the time of GR. Understood? So this is about non-valued material procurement and goods issued to cost center activity for non-valued material. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye.